The first statement asks for the median value of total fat content. So let's sort it by total fat content. We see in all there are 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. In all there are 21 values. So the 11th value would form the median. It's sorted by total fat. The 11th value is 3, 9. This is the 11th value. Safflower oil. The median value of total fat is represented by safflower oil. The median value of calories. Let's see which oil represents the median value of total calories and see what we get here. 11th value here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's again safflower oil. So yes, safflower oil represents the median value for total fat as well as calories. First statement is true. The second statement asks you the median value of saturated fat. So let's sort it by saturated fat here. Saturated fat, the 11th value again, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Almond oil, the saturated fat is 1.9, and the saturated fat in vegetable oil, I'm sorry, this is a typo here, it should be a space, not a 0. We'll have it corrected immediately. Vegetable oil saturated fat is 0.9. Double of 0.9 will be 1.8 and not 1.9. This says exactly twice, and therefore this statement is false. Let's look at the third statement now. This talks about total fat content. So let's sort it by total fat content and see what we get. Negative correlation between total fat content and saturated fat. So total fat C is increasing here. It's sorted by total fat. This is increasing. If there were a negative correlation, as this increases, this should decrease. But it's not decreasing. See, it increased and then it decreased. These values are completely erratic. They don't show a correlation with the total fat, neither negative nor positive correlation. Therefore, this statement is also false. False or check mark? This also means a check mark only. So yes, the right combination of answers is true, false, false.